Hey guys, I am doing our very first test of the customer web portal for Pre-Approved Me. It's set to release next week, probably. Let's see here. On the 26th. And so we are I'm going to just run a quick founder tests. Typically what we do is we go into production, we release our main developer will do some initial testing after he builds it, then release it to staging, and then from staging I'll do a once through, and then it goes into QC, where they really dive deep. But I just want to show you guys, how this is going to work. As a loan officer, I've created an account here for a customer. I'm going to trigger a couple of updates, like I'm going to trigger some milestone updates. I'm going to ask for some conditions. I'm going to set some due dates for these conditions. Assign it to all. Now we're going to save the changes. I'm going to send an update. Go back to the loan, and let's get this client invited, okay? So the goal here is now go through the invitation process. Let's see what that looks like, and then let's log in just like a customer might. So I'm going to go here. Here's my invitation. Here's the email for conditions. Here's the milestone email. Click here. It's going to ask me to continue. It's going to give me a little bit of backstory on who invited me. I'm going to set password. Create. And now you see this is different, right? Before it was essentially download our app. Now we have access to both downloading the app and accessing the management portal. So I'm going to click on the portal. We all know how the app works. Boom, I'm in. That was pretty clean. One click. Awesome. So now I'm in here. You can see breakdown of my payments. I can see where I am in the process. I can upload documentation. I can view my milestones and get a letter. Let's just start at the beginning. Let's see what the upload docs looks like. So the interface looks very similar to what you use as a loan officer. It just added this upload documents button. I'm going to go ahead and grab something. Let's see here. I don't even know. Here we go. Tech registration form. Perfect. I'm going to call this pay stubs. Click upload. Boom. Now it's there. Oh, and the client can even look at it. So if they want to review documents that they've uploaded in the past, they are listed here for them to review. So that's nice because that is not available on the mobile site. Let me go to milestones. Here's where we are in the process. Here's what's next. These should all be locked down. Yep. That's good. Let me test this. Okay, so if they get pre-approval letter, they have to change these scenarios. So we get a qualified status based on the scenario. Let me throw it out of whack. There we go. Not qualified. DTI too high. Loan amount's too high. Can't get a letter. They can request a review from you. 300,000. Boom. We're qualified again. Let's get the letter. There you go. Your letter's been sent. Check my email here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Letter. Should say 300K on it. Yep. Looks good. Okay, milestones, get letter, open calculator. This is essentially the same button. These go to the same place. It's just that we decided that this phrase would not let people immediately know that they could run calculations, and that this phrase would not let people know that they could issue pre-approval letters. So we had to sort of create two buttons for the same thing to let people know that if they clicked here, they could get a letter, or if they clicked here, they can run payment scenarios. Clients need help, they can click here. We're going to build some tutorials. This actually takes them to the help center that currently exists. We're going to build a separate tab for customers. It will go over both mobile and web side features. And then Messenger. This actually, I think, doesn't work. If we go to the messaging center, yeah, we need to add a start new conversation area. So that's something we need to improve. Hey, I found a bug. That's great. And then here we go, download our mobile app. So if your customer wants to get from here, download the app to manage it from there, they can click on this link. Maybe that needs to be a little brighter. Maybe at least the logo here needs to have some color, something to make this pop. I'm not sure. I'll talk with my team about it. So generally speaking, here's the only loan I have. This looks pretty good. If your customer has more loans, they'll see multiple loans here. Okay, so let's do some testing on the actual, on this area. Let's attach a processor. Let's attach a realtor. Let's change the status of a condition. I'm going to reject this condition. Missing something important. Love Grammarly. Confirm, save changes, and send. Now, when I'm inside this, it should, boom, there we go. Notification. There's a warning here. We have new. I've requested more information about a condition. I know that this is not currently a link. It will be a link before the release next Wednesday, so this will be clickable. You can click on this, and it will take you directly into here, where then the client can see the status of that condition, and then they can see the notes of that and the date and time that you created those notes. So that's cool. Pretty simple, guys. It's pretty simple, but it's also very effective. So for those customers of yours who don't have a mobile app or prefer to manage on a computer, this is going to help them do that. If you have any questions, feedback, thoughts, whatever, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll take them into consideration. Thanks, guys.